Okay, so one tool that is very handy that is free is called Scribe. And what Scribe does is it allows you to go through a normal process that you do, maybe something that you do daily or that you do a lot, that you need to train a new person on all the time, or something that maybe you do only once in a while and you keep forgetting the process and you need to remind yourself when you go back to do it again. It's good for either one of those reasons, but it is a tool where you can go through the steps and it records the steps that you do and then creates a step-by-step guide so that the next time you go to do it or you want to show somebody else how to do that process, it has a step-by-step, uh, you know, written out for you. So anyways, I'll show you. So something that I do all the time and that I might want to show my clients or other people how to do is to pull up a lead list in Sales Navigator. There's a lot on this page. If you're not used to working in Sales Navigator, it can be a little bit overwhelming. So what you do is you go to lead filters, and there's all these filters that are way more than you can get in the regular LinkedIn. So the benefit is that you have a lot more filters that you can play with. So there's all of these. So say you want to go for a particular company size. So you can go to company headcount. Maybe you only want to deal with companies that are 1,000 to 5,000 employees. And then you want to go and you only want to deal with companies that are in, say, the United States. There's all these other filters you could do. Groups that you're in, or groups, maybe they're in a group that you could target. One thing that I really like to do is go to people that have posted on LinkedIn in the last, I think it's 30 days. So that really gets you the active ones. So it makes your campaigns work a lot better if you're going to go that direction and build out campaigns. So that's one that a lot of people don't use that I think is super useful. It just ups your response rates and interaction with the people that you're targeting. And then what you can do is go up and save the search so that when people fall into that search that are new, it'll also reach out to those and add them to the list. So you go like that, you click that there. And then what I do is, since I use Duck Soup, which will be on another video that I'll make. Now, Duck Soup is not free, but it's super, super inexpensive compared to what you would normally pay. I know a lot of people that pay $3,000 to $5,000 a month to get automated lead campaigns built. And if you do it yourself using Duck Soup Turbo, it costs you $55 a month to do the Duck Soup Turbo. And in order to put all this, there's way too many people in this. I should limit it down a little bit. Right now we've got 590,000 people in that list. So you want to cut that down a little bit more. I would go up to my Duck Soup, click on that, and then I could just hit enroll profiles and it would enroll them all into the campaign automatically. So that's super helpful. And then it would just start throwing them through that sequence. Then what happens is once I'm done with doing that process, it will, Scribe will print out this or create this step-by-step lead that excuse me, document that I could share with people, or I could save in my files in case I only do this maybe once every couple of months. It would allow me to go back and go, how the heck did I do that last time? And I could go in and look at these steps. So how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator lead filters. So it goes, go here. It shows me where to click on. So click there. Then you click on these various things to open the filters. Then you pick the one that you want. It shows me how to do this. So it goes and creates this step-by-step, shows you where to click. And it'll do this for any page that you're on. It'll create this step-by-step guide that you can share to show anybody how to do any particular process that you go through without you having to repeat yourself over and over and over again. I know we all have those things that we have to, when we have a new person on or somebody who only uses the software every once in a while that you use every day, and you have to they come to you again and again, and you end up having to do it for them. Now you can just say, here you go. Here are the instructions. So you can take care of that yourself. Anyways, and again, Scribe is free for up to 10 documents. So that covers a lot of pain. And there you go. That's one of my favorite ones. Thanks.